What's going on, guys? We are looking at a brand new Silvercrest manufactured home. Their Bradford series. You're going to want to stick it out till the end because there's a lot of really cool things that are going on in this home, starting with this faux garage. We're going to end the tour on the back side so you can see exactly what a faux garage is. And it's got this on-site site-built porch you're going to love. It gives it a little bit of a modern feel. The stone accent, stack windows. This is really a beautiful home. There's a lot of natural light. We're going to go take a look. If you're wondering where we are in Carlsbad, California. It's down here in San Diego. This community has had a lot of new homes come in, replacing the old units. So there are a lot of new homes that we've covered in this community that HomeQuest has sold. This is an all-age community. Rent's not cheap. A lot of the residents are use this as their vacation home. And this community is right off PCH and facing the ocean. So many of these homes do have ocean views with rooftop decks. That's always an option. This is a full-length factory-built side porch, excuse me. Oh, one thing I didn't point out, but check out this board and bat. It looks very nice. Nice window trim. But take a look at this very large side porch. This is a great home. It's a family community, so it's a great home for you and your family to come and entertain. You could put a table here, chairs, barbecue. There's also this common area over to the right with horseshoe pits and a canopy. I should have pointed that out earlier. Right through there. So this is a great community, great environment for the kids, has a beautiful clubhouse. Now let's get back to discussing this home. This is Trex deck. Trex is so much better than regular wood. It's not as high maintenance. You don't need to finish it every couple years. So let's go inside. We're going to start off with this master bedroom. Let's go in here. I'm sorry if it's shaky. I'm hobbling around. But take a look. I'm standing in the walk-in closet just to give you an idea. It's a very big walk-in closet. I'll show you it in a minute. But this is a very big master bedroom. It's very spacious. If I come over here, look, you can put a love seat over there. You can put a chair, a reading chair. And I really like this bathroom. It has a his and her sink. It also has a tub. Look at that. It's not a garden tub, but I think this is actually a little better than a garden tub. It doesn't take up as much space and it's easier to get in and out. With some shelving. Let's show you this beautiful shower. Check that out. That stone on the ground. I love it. Tell me what you think about this in the comment section. I love this shower. When I saw it, it's got the bench. It's just the right size. It's not over the top. So many people now go way overboard on their showers, but that's just my preference. His and her sink, white cabinets. Check out these quartz countertops. I really like it. It almost looks like a specked concrete. Looks very cool. One last look. Oh, did I show you this? Here we go. I'm not going to add music to this video. It did not turn out well last time, and I apologize, guys. I'm sure it was really annoying. Tell me in the description if you want me to post that same video that I posted earlier this week without the sound, because it really is a cool home. Here is the second bedroom. They have this set up as an office. You have this closet over here. It's kind of your standard size closet. It goes left and right both ways. You know what that bathroom didn't have that I love? Is a poop room. There's plenty of storage. Oh, you get a sneak peek at that. But check this out. You get this closet. Man, I love San Diego. San Diego. Carlsbad is one of the greatest cities in Southern California. I promise you. Bam! I know that was random, but every time I'm here, I just have this really good feeling. I love it. Look at that. All this cabinet space right here, the drawers. There it is, the drawers. A lot of times they forget to add the drawers. Again, the same shower. And typically in the guest bathroom, we always do a shower tub combo. We added those windows up there. But this time we did a walk-in shower. You could always modify it if you have kids. Look at this is something different that when you look at see the different manufacturers, Silvercrest is never going to be the cheapest, but I tell you, they do very good quality. So take a look at this wood trim. You could see me there. Hello. This wood trim, they did a great job. And look at other manufacturers if you can notice it in a video, and you'll really notice a difference in the quality, the thickness of the wood. So look at this. This is such an unbelievable, I love it. This is a humongous kitchen island. Look at that. These are all drawers or cabinets right here. Let me get that out of our way. But look at this. That goes all the way there as well. And check this out. Another thing I love about Silvercrest. Soft closing hinges. If you have kids, you know what a value that is. This is a very big, let's get that closed, very big area. We got some people waiting to see this home. I need to hurry up here. This home is going to sell. These are 9-foot flat ceilings. Again, please, 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 leave some comments. I love hearing your thoughts. And hit that thumbs up button. We really appreciate it if you can like our videos. It helps us out tremendously so that we could get more videos your way. We're here for you. All the stainless steel kitchen appliances. Now we're about to go into the Faux Garage. The utility room, side by side, washer and dryer. You really do, with the 9-foot flat ceilings, you have a lot of space up there. You could put some cabinets, some more shelving. But take a look at this. How many of you have seen a faux garage? Everyone says, well, why would you do that? Because it's a little bit less expensive. We could park 3 cars. The bent awning support gives you a little bit more room for parking, makes it a little wider. So now you have seen this Silvercrest Bradford Series 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom manufactured home. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new tours. We hope you enjoyed this video.